Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good popsicles. To begin, select the freshest, ripest fruits available for unparalleled flavor. A great base ratio is 1 part liquid, perhaps a fruit juice or creamy coconut water, combined with 2 parts of your chosen fruit puree. For example, use 1 cup of liquid with 2 cups of fruit. If your fruit isn't sweet enough, a small amount of natural sweetener, like a tablespoon of honey, can enhance the taste beautifully. Achieving the perfect flavor balance is key to an outstanding popsicle. Don't be afraid to experiment with exciting fruit combinations, like strawberry and basil or mango and lime. If you're using tart fruits, pair them with naturally sweeter options to create a harmonious profile. Always taste your mixture before pouring it into molds. This allows you to adjust the sweetness or acidity with a squeeze of lemon or a dash more sweetener. The freezing process is crucial for texture. Opt for durable molds, such as those made from silicone or stainless steel, which ensure easy demolding. After about 30 minutes in the freezer, when the mixture is slightly firm, insert your popsicle sticks. This helps them stay perfectly centered. For best results, allow your popsicles to freeze for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or even better, leave them overnight to ensure they are completely solid. Once your popsicles are fully frozen, demolding them is simple. Briefly run the outside of the mold under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This gentle warmth helps release them without breaking. To keep them fresh, store your finished popsicles in airtight bags or containers in the freezer. They are best enjoyed within 2 to 3 weeks to maintain their vibrant flavor and perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.